Hi guys, today I'm going to be working on a washer and dryer, installing a hose on it so it could have the steam cycle. So I'm just going to jump in and show you exactly what I'm using and what you need. Let me show you the dryer. So this is the dryer right here. Just to let you know, this is what it is. So you have a steam cycle on it. And so these are the parts you're going to need. You're going to need this, and this has the washer in it. Right here has the washer. And this is the second part of the hose. This is going to go on the dry side. This is going to connect to here. The other part going to go here, and the other part going to go to the other hose. Let me get started. Yeah, this is it. I got this from Home Depot. All right, it was around $26 to get for the kit. So right here, I'm connecting the hose right here. Tighten it down, and then I'm going to use my pliers. In a few minutes, I'm gonna move the pliers away. I'm going to tighten this down, and then bring the hose over to connect to the other side. Just tighten it down. It's nice and snug. So I disconnected everything from this side and gonna connect the other side to it. So I disconnected the cold side, and I'm about to connect this wire, this hose to this. Tighten it down, and then after that I'm going to connect this right here. So I connected this going to there, and then this is going to the washing machine, and this is going to the dryer, and everything is on the cold line. So that's pretty much it. I changed the washers. On this side I was bad. These are new washers. So I'll just change these out and put the new